So friends, now we are just installing pet store in system. I just go to the GitHub and clone this repo, go to terminal, cd. I am just going to my store path. Okay, now in the path folder enter and git clone. After the cloning this, I just go to the Visual Studio and open folder code can store pet store template. In this pet store template you can see all the pages are in the app and components UI. We use Redux UI as Versal providing Redux UI in this, and now I am installing this npm I. Okay, there is a peer dependency issue, so I just install the legacy npm I and peer dependency issue solved. After the installing, I run the store npm run dev. If you open a local host, it will be open. Just click and see. Okay. Now the pet store working, and you can just check the cat category. Just remove it. All this food and everything is working in local. Sign in page, sign up page, and done. If you want to be download this pet store, link available in. Soon we are uploading this in our store and you can download from it. Okay friends, thank you.